How to use someone's code on Temu. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use someone else's code or the referral code on the Temu app. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy. All you have to do is open up the app and make sure you're signed into your account. Now here you can see the app is opening up, and here if you open up here you can see I'm already logged into my account. What you want to do here once you open up the app is you want to tap on the U option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. You can see 4 different options at the bottom. You can see the home option, categories, U, and the card option. Simply tap on the U option that you can see, and here you can see I'm signed into my account. Now here what you want to do is you can see the option coupons and offers there, right there on the screen. Simply tap on coupons and offers, and here as long as you have any code, if you have any coupons or if you have any referral codes that you got from someone else, or if you have someone else's code, what you can do is you can simply enter your coupon code here and then tap on the apply option there and it will be applied. So this is the way you can use someone else's code or the referral code on the Temu app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.